financial independence and also to gain financial literacy so you can weather the storm whatever comes your way. Because this is a big deal in terms of what is going on in Jamaica and with the after effects of the hurricane, a lot of people find themselves flat-footed and they've lost their entire savings, their entire investment. Everything has been lost. So I want to bring to you positive information so you can be financially successful and financially independent and financially safe. So we're going to start that. I'm going to give you that information on Monday at PIP Mondays. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell, ladies and gentlemen. And always remember, ladies and gentlemen, always remember. You know what you got to remember?